Hey guys, welcome to another video. And today, I'm going to be playing Monkey on the Shelf with these idiots. Alright, let's start with you.
Okay, my name is P because I'm a P. Mom.
Alright, well, never mind. Okay, and then you, with the cat ears, the furry.
I'm Kitty Cat, but to him, he is my friend. He called me Demigod. I'm Devon to you guys, or Kitty Cat. Call me Kitty Cat. I'm Kitty Cat. I'm Kitty Cat.
Okay,
Sorry,
so furry. Okay, and then for the last, we already met Perch.
Yeah, I was in the last video. I 1v1'd him. I goaded him, and I was so cracked I beat him.
Bro, I literally fell, so, okay. You know what, let's start the game, bro. Let's start the game, boys.
Practice round.
Yeets. Hold on, I'm practicing with you guys, because I'm so good at this game, bro.
Nothing. I did not touch the ground.
You totally didn't touch the ground, bro. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I changed my name to my actual name. So, yeah.
Bro, I didn't even touch the ground the way back, bro.
Wait, your mom named you Orange Lemon?
Bro, why would I name myself an Orange Lemon? Alright, get on the shelf, you little idiots. Get on the shelf, idiots.
Wait, I'm buying something.
Bro, why would you buy something now?
I'm just kidding.
Okay, go.
Kidding.
I will murder you. Okay, ready? I'm gonna delete everything. I'm gonna delete everything except this hat.
That blue hat?
Yeah. Bet.
I can do this easy. That is.
I'm gonna watch you, bro.
Bro, if you guys fall, can you please not like make a whole big deal and say,
Alright.
yeah, I touched you.
Come here, boy. You know, I didn't even see it. I didn't even see when you touched the ground, bro. You could have survived, bro. Hey, kid, furry, you're allowed to touch the ground because you touched the mirror.
I don't care.
Hey, he touched the ground! He touched the ground! He touched the ground! He touched the ground!
He's allowed to do that, bro.
But you actually did.
Okay, I'm gonna delete this part. I'm gonna delete everything.
Ow. You could go on the express. You could go on the express.
Get here, boy. Alright, you win. Furry won. Furry won. Let's go. Furry won.
I'm a furry.
Get on the shelf.
40. Practice.
Practice, boys. Practice. Move out the way, monkey. Oh my god. I totally didn't just do something, bro. I totally didn't just, like, miss that, bro. I totally didn't just, like, miss, and I touched her. I know, I totally, like, didn't even just, like, miss something, bro. Totally didn't, like, I just hit the ground. Bro, I totally didn't, like, do anything.
Yeah, you failed, Ryan. I tagged you now. Nope, bro. I'm just kidding.
I'm just kidding, bro. I'm not kidding, bro. I literally just killed everybody.
Delete. So I'm gonna change. I need to make it what I want.
Bro, why would you delete that? You're so mean. I wanted to.
Anything. What do you mean?
Oh, this is free round?
Nah, bro. Go back.
What are you deleting? What are you deleting?
What are you deleting?
What is he
Sorry
deleting?
for my brother. I want to punch him.
Okay, delete something.
Delete.
Okay. Okay, guys.
You're deleting that.
What? Do you understand him?
I think he went deaf.
So, I'm gonna change up the.
Yeah, he's
So my
deleting
headset
that.
made.
Alright, he deleted that thing, because I think his mute. What? Okay. Okay, go.
You guys still have to go.
Okay, well, you
Also,
should
I'm
just.
deleting this wall.
Are you.
You can only delete one item.
Okay,
I
hold
never
on.
deleted anything. What are you guys hearing?
What are you.
Your thing.
You didn't hear anything. You're the one that's deaf.
Your mic broke.
I know, your mic just went, like, did something. Let's go, we can touch the ground now.
I don't touch grass. Insult me about it. See if I care.
I don't touch grass. Cry about it.
Bro, no.
I don't touch grass. Cry about it.
You did it.
on. That's your fault. That's your fault. All right, let's go furry. Oh my god, bro! Oh my god, bro! What's your problem? Bro, you suck it! I literally get juked. Oh man. Oh my god. Oh my god. All right, I'm the.
Sorry about that. I was just on some steroids. Easy practice round. Practice round.
Bro, you can't just do that. You got stuck on the wall.
I need it, bro.
I'm literally elevator climbing, bro. I'm literally elevator climbing. Oh.
What? One more time. Bro. Okay, guys, I'll do one more time, guys.
All right, go. Okay, I'm gonna delete stuff in 3, 2, 1. Okay, ready? I'm gonna delete everything except the blue hat.
Bro, that's stupid. What am I gonna do?
You fell, bro. Okay, fine. I'm gonna give that an exception. Oh, come here.
Shut up. Bro,
You fell.
suck.
Bro, you suck, bro. All right, furry one. Furry one.
Furry, keep winning these rounds. Turn.
All right. How has furry not been the Dude, bro, I don't want to delete stuff. I can't like edit this out. You're so mean. You know what? I'm gonna spank your face. I'm not gonna look at you. Okay, it's the practice round, boys. Oh, I think the party hat monkey died. I think the party hat monkey died. Bro, I think he died. Bro, I think he died.
Flying, bro. He came back to life. Practice round. You guys' practice round is done. If you guys don't get on the shelf. Okay, there we go. I'm deleting this, but you can go on the hat.
Like a bird, bro. I can fly like a bird. I can fly like a bird.
What are you doing, bro?
That's the ground. Guys, you only have to kick on.
I'm gonna fall. Bro.
What? Why'd you tag me?
Leave a fake. No. You saw nothing? No, dang it, bro. Furry won again. Why does Furry keep on winning, bro?
I said he was gonna be on the furry.
All right, Furry's it. This might be the last round because the video's going too long. All right, Furry, what are you deleting?
We're gonna end it off, okay?
Okay, this is the last round because it's going way too long, and I need to edit this video.
Whoever wins is the king of pancakes and waffles.
Yeah, whoever wins gets to like and subscribe.
Bro, can we restart really quick?
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro.
Restart really quick. I'm sorry. No, I want to be it. 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 No.
Sorry guys, sorry about that. I broke my headset.
Yeah, I delete this whole thing, bro.
I hope that up on your wall.
All right, you get to go first. Go first.
Remember, you go first.
Okay.
Hey, if you don't go, if one of y'all don't go in 3, 2, 1.
Let's go. Too easy, bro. I get the pancakes. Let's go. I get pancakes and waffles, bro. I get the pancakes and waffles, bro. Get the white monkey. Let's go. I get the pancakes and waffles. I get the Yeah, we have to end it off. All right, let's everyone go to the mirror.
Can we play a regular round?
Yeah, I'm coming. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next video. And next time, I'll hopefully post something. I don't know. All right. See you guys.